So this rail fan across this, they added this thing. This is brand new. So obviously still, it comes across the main line. They want to deliver some goods here. This is an extension they did. We'll walk across it. This is the extension they had on. When I was here last time, I went that way. XPO, they bought the yellow freight place out down there in Burnsville, and they went tits up. So. Yeah, it's hot today. Trash. So this is the line this goes over, is by my house. It goes behind across a lake over there. Used to be the old Milwaukee Road, and they used to just fly. You can see they're building apartments over here, the light rail. There's a train guy in town here that does a lot of train stuff. He's really good. Reminds me of the guy down in Florida, Distant Signal. This guy's a really good job. So. Yeah, they built, this is brand new, and they had this thing on. Tells me they plan on still delivering down there to Bloomington. There's not a lot of business along the way here to go that way. There is, but it's mainly all down in Bloomington. So yeah, they're tearing up over here. Over there's a station for the socialist train. That won't be ready till 2027 because they're digging underground, what you guys saw way back in the archives. Be walking the damn thing. The waste of good suffering. You know, it's just unbelievable. They make a lot of plastic things over there, it looks like, over there. Yeah, this is the extension that comes from the main line. So when this line goes across that bridge, across Highway 7, past the high school, into Golden Valley, across 394, into New Hope, heck yeah. I haven't seen trains yet, but you do see TCW, whatever it's called. They use that rail. They go into St. Paul all the time. So that's over there. That's that one I walked across last time. Methodist Hospital. So over here is the socialist train right here. That's the main line right there. Pigeon, he's hanging out on top of the fence. Don't worry, you're not gonna hurt you. You can sit there and hang out. No needs to fly away. But watch your step here. Flip over and kill yourself. But yeah, that's the socialist train right there. There used to be old Sam's Club over here. They left. It was a Costco originally back in the 80s. There it is. See you guys trains? I don't see any. Yeah, when I was there last time, I didn't do this one. This little outcropping that connects to Milwaukee Road, so what the hell, right? Occasionally I'll come whipping down here. You also have the trail over here. They're right next to the railroad tracks. You can bike it. I biked it on the last, way back in the archives. I biked that trail. My favorite one was the 9 Mile. That was fun to bike. So those are cool. I love bike riding. But yeah, it's kind of weird. Maybe they have different. I don't know why this. I've always wondered why all this is like these small little. Just curious. Huh. But you can see it connects. Maybe these stations are all ready, but by the time it's already aging infrastructure already, it's taking forever. So the trail is right down there. You can see that guy on the bike. Over there, that was the Sam's Club over there. Right down there. Get your ticket for the socialist train. Up here is Louisiana. And keep walking the railroad tracks. I can walk right up the lake. But anyways, loafers took over. Well, there's Highway 7. So it connects right here. Glad I walked it. So anyways, guys, we're gonna head back. Hope you enjoy a little rail fanning. and whatever else. So, okay, dokie. Here in St. Louis Park, a little rail fanning here on a beautiful day, August 1st, 2020. Corey Stringer passed away, was murdered by the Minnesota mosquitoes. And anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one.